The following message is transmitted by the request of the Geological Survey, at 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A mountain from Britton Hill has suddenly started to become shaky. Due to this, an earthquake watch has been affected for most of the counties. This includes Tallahassee, Jacksonville, Destin, Fort Lauderdale, Pensacola, Naples, Hollywood, Sarasota, Daytona Beach, Cocoa Beach, the Villages, Seaside, Orlando, Kissimmee, St. Petersburg, Gainesville, and Ocala. Please be on the lookout for any cracks, vibrations, movement of your home, and hissing noises. Stay tuned for updates on this latest situation.
Alright, time to go to my garage to fix my car. Wait, what is that noise? Hissing? Oh no, this can't be good. I gotta take shelter now or I'll be in danger. Oh, I see these popping up now. Let's check quick.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Geological Survey, at 9:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The mountain from Britton Hill has collapsed, causing a magnitude 9.1 earthquake in the entire state of Florida. This is a dangerous situation. Listen carefully to these instructions. Take cover now. Move to a sturdy building that is strong. Duck and cover. Go under tables or any furniture that is ducked through. Make sure to hold on tight. Stay away from windows and ceilings as they can be debris. Do not attempt to stay in your car as any tree, lampposts or electrical hazards can hit you. Please stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the National Weather Service and the Tsunami Warning Center. At this time, the earthquake has stopped, but it is not over. At 9:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a tsunami watch has been affected for the entire state of Florida, but this is not a warning yet. If anyone lives by the beaches, be on the lookout for any water receiving back into the ocean, as they can be a warning that a tsunami is coming. Please be prepared if a tsunami is coming. Tsunamis are large waves that are not surfable. Tsunamis are common after an earthquake is occurring. Stay tuned for more outlets on this ongoing situation.
My baby.
National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the entire state of Florida at 10:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service Doppler radar has detected a huge tsunami of a height of 7,000 feet off the east coast of Cocoa Beach. This is a very dangerous situation and should be taken seriously. Grab all the materials that you need. Take family members with you included. Pets, make sure you grab food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with you. Evacuate to the west now. If not, you'll be gone. Make sure you have all the materials needed for you. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
An important message from the United States of America.
Hello, my fellow citizens of Florida. As you may know, the mountain from Britton Hill has collapsed, causing a massive earthquake to struck the entire state of Florida, and causing a massive tsunami. This was the worst disaster to ever hit Florida. 98% has evacuated, but a death toll was staggering 3,000. But others who were caught were 1,000 injured. But please do not return home as there is nothing to return to. Please stay on the west coast, because it will take a very long time to put everything back the way how it was. Please stay safe and have a good day, everybody.
That was the President of the United States of America. We will return to normal broadcasting at this time.